JAC against the brutal killing of Muhammad Abdul Wahid discussed on the actions to be taken up on the suspicious death of Muhammad Abdul Wahid, 23 years, son of Abdul Ghaffar, a resident of YAIRIPOK, TULIHAL, HEIRONG Road. Speaking on the discussion meeting held at YAIRIPOK, TULIHAL, Community Hall, social reformer M.A. Jabbar said that the JAC will not claim the deceased body unless the concerned authority punishes the culprits involved in the crime, and also demanded the transfer of Andro Police Station OC. He further added that the JAC will launch intense agitation if the government fails to look into the matter. It may be mentioned that Muhammad Abdul Wahid, alias Atil, was found lifeless at Taubal, Sabantongba, along the Taubal River.
Hanba ngangani haiba akochena thajabale ngasi paliba sarkarna asigumba thodok thoiba thodok singasi asibutna mangjai haibagi niti ma khakki sum chanrola moirapa gi mawung ma laise athuba matamda paliba sarkar sina muthallaga ing tapadu matangdu laitaba samajama wahenna bagi liglama majati